Why is my hand sticky? It's Anna. Pew! 3 minutes later.
Hi.
Hi, visitor.
My name is Anna. What's your name?
You can call me Mr. X.
Okay. Mr. X, where are we?
We're in Death City, Enna? Follow me.
Whatever you do, don't trust Zoreth.
Who is Zoreth? Whatever. This device is useful. Emma put it in my magical pocket.
This guy is wasting my time. Why are you late?
Sorry.
That's fine.
You're just in time for my meals.
What? What meal?
I got away.
Where am I now?
You're in your own world.
Who are you?
In the creator who talked to you on radio.
This.
Correct.
How did it float?
I made a float. I can control
Cool.
my creation. Time to end episode 6.
Wait, what?
That's all. Goodbye.
It was a dream.
Yes, it was.
I'm still dreaming. Wait, if I sleep in a dream, would I wake up?